Today, we're going to discuss how to read PDF files in C#. How's it going, everyone? In this video, as I said, we're going to see how to read text from a PDF file in C# using IronPDF. Before we begin, make sure your IronPDF is installed through NuGet, and also set your IronPDF license key at the top of your program.cs file. So now we start by loading the PDF file using pdf-document.from-file. Here we simply pass the file path of the PDF that we want to read. Once the PDF is loaded, we call extract all text, and this method reads the entire document and pulls out all the text content from every page. The extracted text is stored in a string variable, which means we can log it, save it, or process it however we want. Finally, we print the text to the console so we can see the output and confirm the PDF was read successfully. So let's go ahead and run the application and wait for the processing to complete. All right, and there we go. The text from the PDF is displayed in the console and it exactly matches the input PDF file. And that is how you can easily read PDF files from C# using IronPDF. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download, install the package, and experience the software firsthand.